Good morning, y'all, and welcome back to For Starters. I'm Chris Crosby. Today, let's tackle AI readiness and agentic readiness, I guess is the new buzzword, in the contact center. There's a lot of, I think, misguided but well-intended advice that the very first thing you need to do is figure out knowledge management or knowledge base. And while that is a critical component for a lot of reasons, it's not the very first thing you need to do. Because the first thing you need to do is ensure that the underlying technology that you're acquiring, meaning your CCAS or your WFM or your monolithic QA or whatever applications, agent assistants that you're putting in to your contact center are open and extensible. I talk a lot about this, right? APIs and the ability to move data and knowledge back and forth between those applications. Because what will happen inevitably is that each of these use cases or applications in the contact center, whether it's agent assistant or voice AI, um, fill in the blank, they're all going to have their own onboard knowledge management because each one handles it differently with memory and vector embeddings. And so you need the ability to move your knowledge in and out of that in an open and easily facilitated way, which means you don't need a knowledge base, you need knowledge orchestration between these applications. And so that starts with the ability to push out that knowledge. As an example, we deployed Zoom's Agent Assistant, and it has its own knowledge base, and it is very utilitarian in nature. The only thing it does is Power Agent Assist, but it has to do that because of the way it indexes all the knowledge. So we have our own knowledge management platform that is open and extendable, and so you can create all your knowledge base articles in here, and within a few clicks, synchronize that right into a Zoom knowledge base. If we did not have this, synchronize the knowledge base right there. You just tell it what articles you want. If you didn't have this, you're administering knowledge in Zoom. You're going to administer it in your IVA. By the way, we synchronize out into everything and back in. So the real point of this is that if you're just going out to get a new knowledge management system, you're probably looking at another tool in isolation. And if you're procuring and selecting your CCAS or assistance or anything that doesn't have the open APIs, you're just going to continue to proliferate these applications and not really realize the full value of it. So coming back to, again, the way that we've designed and guide our clients to design this is thinking through knowledge orchestration with document management and knowledge articles. And then as we select partners to deploy voice AI or we deploy, agent assistance or even quality assurance, because now we can do very deep quality assurance management where we can embed a script right inside of a QA form or assess agent knowledge, product knowledge right inside that evaluation from the LLM. The only way you get there is by making sure that those vendors have published API docs and that you can get at it. And if you need help with that, let me know.